So today we are making beef stew. Can you see me? Yeah. Okay. First thing we're gonna do is dice some onions. All right. We're gonna get that cooking over some oil. I like to use a mixture of grass-fed butter and olive oil, great brand. Now we have a chuck roast. These chuck roasts, you can find them anywhere. They have a lot of good marbling. They're great for soups. Not good for steaks though. But we're gonna use this. So first thing we're gonna do is we gotta brown it before we put it in the oven. So I got a cast iron here, nice and hot. We put salt, pepper, a little bit of onion powder, garlic powder. We're gonna brown each side. We got the onions nice and translucent. Cutting everything to small pieces. Same size onions, same size carrots, so when you're making a stew, it's all nice and uniform. We're gonna let those soften up a bit. I'm also gonna add some garlic now. The meat is ready to turn. Let's get a close up on this. Ooh, that's what you want. Nice browning there. Alright, we're gonna brown the other side, and then we're gonna put it to the side. Alright, so we got the meat seared up on all sides, so you're gonna put that to the side. Our mix of vegetables, I added some poblano peppers and some jalapeno peppers, not a lot, just a little bit. Once everything softens up, we are ready to load our stew. Bought this on Amazon, Dutch oven. It's great for soups. We're gonna lay everything down first, and then we'll put the meat on top. Alright, we got everything cooked. Now we're gonna layer our pot. We have our carrot onion mix, pepper, and jalapeno. I also put garlic in here, so this is gonna serve as our base. Smells great already. Alright, so we got our peppers in there. We're going to add in our crushed tomato, organic if you can. We're gonna add that in. That's gonna give it extra flavor. I'll go ahead and put the whole can. Okay. We're gonna add 2 bay leaves. Try to buy organic if you can. I got a beef blend here. It's got oregano, rosemary, and thyme. So we're gonna just put one of each. Again, this is gonna smell great. And we're gonna take these out. All right, we're gonna lay our meat right on top. Okay. And then you need a liquid. Today we're gonna use Sapporo beer. It's a lager. You're gonna try to use a lager. We're gonna just fill it up until it comes about almost all the way up. One whole beer should do it. There you go. So I'm just gonna make sure that the herbs are completely submerged. All right, that looks good. Let's get our. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cook this for about 4 hours at 275. Actually 300. 300 for 4 hours, maybe 3.5 hours because we're short on time. But every 30 minutes we're gonna flip that meat over. Okay. In the oven it goes. First thing I want to do is flip the meat. So I'm just gonna use our tongs. Oh, that looks good. I'm gonna give it a little stir. Ooh. I'm gonna give it a little taste. See what we're looking at. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt, and then we'll put the meat back in. Give it like 30 minutes. Get up in there on that nice close-up. And that's what you're looking for. Delicious, succulent beef stew cooked in 3.5 hours. If you guys could smell this, I'm telling you it wouldn't disappoint. Alright, we're gonna take out the meat, we're gonna shred it and put it back in. Put it on our cutting board. There you go. And we're just gonna shred it. cut into little pieces. Ooh, look at that. Oh man, I could probably just use forks. Alright, so yeah, you can just use forks and just tear it apart. And then once it's all done, we're gonna put it back in. Take some of that. We've shredded the meat. We put some extra salt and pepper. We're gonna put all the meat back into the stew. Let's see if I do this real smooth. Oop, dropped one. Mix that up. Oh, look at that. Look at that. We're gonna take out some of those thyme roots. Oh yeah, let that marinate a little bit more. It is done, ready to go. Alright, we are done. We have plated. I made some butternut squash, put it right in the middle, and you finish off with a little bit of cilantro. And that's it, guys. All done. Beef stew, 3.5 hours. Lots of flavor. Most delicious soup you'll ever have. You gotta try it.